Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And ASUS fingerprint scanner is not working and gray out. So how to fix? So first check device manager. So click to start, type device manager. Open it. Find out the biometric. So this is biometric and extract. This is fingerprint sensor. So right click to uninstall. Uninstall. Okay. Then click to action and then click scan hardware changes. Scan hardware changes. Okay, and then close it. After that it will come back. Okay, so no worry, then close it. Then next step, enable biometric in service. So click to start, type service. Okay, right click to run as administrator. Then find out the Windows biometric service. So press W, Windows biometric service, double click. So now it is not start. So click to start and also select the automatic and then apply and then OK. Now you can see. So again, just once again click to restart. Okay, and then close it. Then next need to install the latest driver. So open any browser and Google search box to type the ASUS laptop driver update. Okay, so click on it. So this is first link support dot, this is URL. Scroll down. Now if you know the model number of your laptop, so you can type search by model number, and if you select the serial number, so you can search via your serial number. Okay, and other product you can also find out from, but this is so lengthy process. Third process, you can see this is automatic detect the computer. When you click here, it will agree, and if this application is already installed ASUS support agent, so no need to install again. But if not, so just click to download and then run, and after that again click on automatic detect. Okay, then click to, this is your this is the laptop tag, click to driver and tool. Scroll down, chipset, audio, this is all your laptop driver. You can see pointing device, so pointing device means touchpad driver. Click to download. It is completed, it will show like this, and click on it. Then okay, then next, I accept, next, install, next install. Now this is extracting, no need to restart, because of we have command, two more command to repair the Windows file also. Okay, so first click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. So type this command, this is important, to repair Windows file, and after that hit enter. So it will start the percentage when it is 100% completed. Okay, then try second one, because of second one also important for your system. So like this SFC scan now, and same it will start the percentage. Then click to start. Now this is final result of your biometric. Click to setting. Okay, then click to account, sign in option. Now this is a fingerprint, and click to setup. Okay, get start, so it will set up. Okay, but guys, first this completed, then restart and then try it. Okay, thank you.